Hi, I'm Alex Snodgrass with Carter Products, and today I want to show you the Carter MAGFENCE. You'll notice that it is a magnetic fence. It is not magnetized until we reverse the polarity. These two knobs simply rotate so that we can lock the fence into place, and it's as solid as just about any fence on rails. And you'll notice we don't have any rails. We don't have to worry about setting everything up. Now, if you're cutting thicker pieces, it's easy to just set the fence, lock it into place, and away you go. Now, if you're going to cut some real thin veneers and you're going to get close to that blade, you don't want to hurt the fence and you don't want to destroy your blade. So what we've done is we have some sacrificial wear plates. They simply slide right into the 1/4-inch slots there, lock in. We also have one that's a little bit taller in case you're going to do some thicker material. Now, you can set this fence up by eye, and it's very easy to do. If you want the absolute best in precision, you'll want to use the FAST. The FAST is a fence alignment system tool that works off of a magnet as well, which attaches right to the blade, has a groove for the offset of the teeth. Remember, the teeth are set further than the body of the blade, so you don't want this angled. So what we'll do is we'll just drop that FAST right onto that blade. Now it becomes much easier to align this fence. No matter what fence you use, remember, when that blade is moved on the wheel, it can change the angle just a little bit. So this makes it a little bit easier to set up. All right, now let me install the taller wear plate, and we'll do some cutting. Snug those up. Safety first. We'll just move our fence in for a nice little, 1/2-inch cut, and then we'll do some veneer. As you can see, we've got a nice, straight, accurate cut. Now let's try a piece of veneer. Now, in order to do the veneer, we want to get this as accurate as possible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for that saw to stop. We'll take our FAST, drop that right onto that blade. And then I'm going to line this up with that FAST. Let's take a piece of veneer off. Just like that, we've got some nice veneer. Thanks for watching.